Hi, everybody. This is Lauren Bishop talking. Welcome to my group's Manipulative Lesson Concentration PowerPoint. My group members were Shanti, Faustine, Rose, and Selena. Today we're going to talk about the manipulative skill that students will learn using a soccer kick. So students will take these steps, I believe there's 12, to learn how they pass a soccer ball with the inside of their foot. So these are the first 6 steps students will take, and these are the next 6 steps that students will take to learn this skill. Included is the second grade standards. We focused on second grade, so these are the standards that this lesson will meet for students. The activity we chose was a soccer kick activity using a 1-pin bowling lesson. So this is the setup for that activity. And then the modifications for diverse learners, we would use kinesthetic teaching, employ the buddy system, allow rule modifications or adjustments due to ability level, and we would also use visual aids or hand signals to help with students with diverse needs. This is a list of our equipment and materials that we would need to fulfill this activity with students. This is the way that we would assess the children after this activity. We would use the observation of game sense, student journals, student peer assessment of moving skill or fitness skills using a 4-point check rubric. So we would kind of use a checklist for that as well. We could do that to evaluate each student's present level for the kicking the soccer skills, kicking the ball. And so those are those assessments. And then these are both a step-by-step video guide and then a real-time action video that one of my group members recorded for us. So these are both videos that demonstrate this activity being done. And then these are the references that my group used to create this PowerPoint. Hope you all enjoyed.